Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Postiz on your Ubuntu 24.4 server. By the end of this video you will have it fully up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your packages, install the required dependencies using the following command. Next, let's set up the docker-gnupg key and repository with these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Install Docker and its required plugins using the following command. Now configure user permissions with these two commands. Get the Postiz source files using the following commands. Generate a secret keys and save it somewhere. We'll need it in the next step. Open the configuration file and update the following lines. Now, all that's left to do is launch the services and open your web browser. Use your server IP address or domain name depending on what you specified in the configuration file. Create your admin profile and you're ready to start using Postiz. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.